What's up, guys? Jason here with West Virginia Trail Trekkers. I've been working on the old XJ here for a little bit, and I didn't film it, but I got this back pan cleared out. Today we're going to probably focus on doing the front passenger side, getting all that crap cut out, ready for its new pan. This right here was quite a bit of work, but it was the biggest majority of the work, and it took me about 3 hours to get all this cut out. I still need to clean it up a little bit. We're going to probably get some wire brushes and stuff and clean inside these unibody frames here. And put down some kind of rust barrier before we put the new pan on it. I was kind of concerned about my shock towers on these things because that, it's, prone to rusting or whatever. They actually look pretty good. The gas tank, it's a little rusty. I may take it off before we weld in a new pan and clean it up really good. Put maybe some rust barrier on it. I don't know how much these new tanks are. I don't really feel like spending a lot of money on it, but I don't see no holes or smell any gas, so we'll just put some rust barrier on it too. But on today's video, we're going to focus on getting the front cut out, get all that crap took care of, so we can then move on to the driver's side. I'm going to save the driver's side for last, in case I still need to drive this thing and move it out of the way. Gotta have a little bit of a floorboard, or I can just Fred Flintstone it anywhere. But yeah, let's get into the video. That angle grinder sure is cutting through a lot faster than that daggone die grinder is, but I'm more precise with the die grinder. But yeah, that angle grinder is definitely chewing through his floorboard a lot quicker. All right, we got the perimeter cut here. So what I'm going to do now is take the air hammer and start peeling this pan up. So yeah, that may be a little fun because how long it is, but I think we should. We're going to start from the back and see what happens. Then go from there. Let me set that aside. Get my gloves here. All right, guys, we got the passenger pan cut out here. There's a little bit of a booger, especially right here around the seat brace on the unibody. I had to cut like 4 spot welds there just on that one. I don't know if you've seen it on camera, but the air hammer kind of crapped out on me. The fitting shot out and busted me right in the lip. Had me stunned for a second. A little bit of blood, but oh well. Yeah, that's part of working on vehicles. I kind of screwed up. I might have cut a little too high right through here on the sides, but that rocker's rusted out anyway, so we'll have to fab something up on that anyways. But we want to try to clean this up and see what we got. At least this side's done. We'll do some test fitting with the other pan and go from there. The unibody looks in pretty good shape. It's just a little rusty. We'll clean it up the best we can, put some rust barrier on it, and go from there. I'm gonna have to modify the pan a little bit to fit right there where the the seatbelt buckle screws into. Cut it down a little bit, or I might just leave it, I don't know. But I don't think the holes line up on the pan. The pan's not exactly 100%, you know, form fitting. It'll have to be modified just a little bit. But I'm gonna clean this up here and see what we got, and I'm probably gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna jump into that pan, I don't reckon, over there without having a good air hammer. That air hammer is just a game changer, and to cut that out, this is gonna be trial and error, I guess, without an air hammer. But the air hammer is definitely the game changer. I need to get that bolt out right there. But let's get the wire brush on here, clean it up, and see what happens. All right, I got the a little bit of cleaning up done. The wire brush, I'll probably need to come in here with like a flapper disc or something before I paint this. But yeah, it cleaned up pretty nice. I think a lot of it was just grime and dirt. But from what I see, the unibody rails are pretty good. A little dirty, got a little bit of surface rust going on. I need to get a drill attachment wire brush so I can get down in there and clean it really good. But yeah, it's starting to turn out kind of real hopeful. We'll test the floor pan here in a minute to make sure it's going to look all right and see what happens. But yeah, I'm actually satisfied. Well, I got it cleaned up a little better. Went ahead and sanded down or ground down the edges, so when we go to put these pans in to tack weld them in, you'll have a good surface to clean to. So still a lot more prep work needs to be done before we burn these pans in, but yeah, it's been a pretty progressive day today. Got a lot done. I set out what I wanted to do and I did it. Still got some more cleaning to do on the unibody, but we're gonna save that for another day. All right, guys, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on TikTok, and follow us here on YouTube. Like, subscribe, turn the notification bells on. Tag along with me in this project. I'm Jason with West Virginia Trail Trekkers. We'll see you on the next time.